Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GA4 conversion events in Google Tag Manager step by step clearly. To install GA4 conversion events in Google Tag Manager, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container for the website or app you want to work on. Next, click on Tags in the left-hand sidebar. Then, click on the New button to create a new tag. In the tag configuration, choose Google Analytics GA4 event. If you don't have a configuration tag, create one by choosing Google Analytics GA4 configuration and entering your GA4 measurement ID. Now, return to your GA4 event tag setup. In the event name field, enter a name for your conversion event that is relevant to the action being tracked. Scroll down to the Event Parameters section. Click on Add Row to include any parameters you want to capture with the event. Fill in the parameter name and value based on the data you wish to send to GA4. Next, navigate to the Triggering section to set up when the event will fire. Click on Triggering and then select New to create a trigger. Choose the type of trigger that corresponds to the conversion event you want to track, such as page view, click, or form submission. Configure the trigger according to your specific requirements. Once your trigger is set up, go back to your GA4 event tag. Review your tag settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. When satisfied with your configurations, click Save to save the tag. To ensure your changes are implemented, click on the Submit button in the upper right corner. Add a name and description for your version change and click Publish. After publishing, go to your website to test the conversion event. Use Google Tag Assistant or the GA4 debug view to verify that the event is firing correctly. Check your GA4 account to confirm that the conversion event data is being recorded. If needed, make any adjustments in Google Tag Manager based on your testing results. Once everything is confirmed to be working, your GA4 conversion events will now be installed and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.